Over the past few decades, the United States has emerged as the world's greatest innovation lab, achieving feats once thought impossible. Among its most impressive inventions are flying machines, tireless robots, delivery drones, and systems cleaning the oceans in real time. Developments that have captured the attention of the entire planet with their spectacular advances. But what makes these inventions so extraordinary? Why are they generating such worldwide impact? In this video, I'll show you the 8 craziest and most revolutionary American inventions that have pushed the limits of what's possible. Machines so advanced they seem pulled straight from science fiction, but are completely real. Number 8. Volonaut Air Bike. Remember the speeder bikes from Star Wars? Well, they're no longer science fiction. The Volonaut Air Bike is a real levitation bike that hovers more than 10 feet off the ground and can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The system works through a series of high-power turbines that generate vertical and horizontal thrust simultaneously. The rider controls it intuitively, almost like a conventional motorcycle, but in the air. And the most impressive part, it doesn't need a runway or a helipad. It simply lifts off from wherever it is. The applications are explosive. Rescue operations in hard-to-reach areas, transportation in congested urban environments, and even luxury personal mobility. The air bike is not a lab prototype. It has already been tested with real riders, in real conditions. The future of personal transport has 2 turbines and 0 wheels. Number 7. Whisk Gen 6. The dream of the flying taxi has been promised for years, but most projects have ended up as pretty renderings and empty promises. Not Whisk. Their 6th-generation autonomous electric aircraft, the Whisk Gen 6, is the real deal. Unlike other eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, the Whisk Gen 6 is fully autonomous. No pilot. None whatsoever. The artificial intelligence system handles navigation, obstacle detection, and emergency management. It can carry up to 2 passengers and operate in dense urban environments with pinpoint precision. What makes it truly revolutionary is its certification. Whisk is in advanced stages of FAA approval, which would make it the world's first certified autonomous air taxi. No joystick, no remote pilot, no human intervention. You get in, say where you're going, and you arrive. That simple, that disruptive. Number 6. Figure 03. Humanoid robotics has taken enormous leaps in recent years. But what Figure AI is doing with its Figure 03 robot is unlike anything we've seen before. This is not a lab robot or a controlled demo. It is literally a humanoid worker. Figure 03 can walk, crouch, lift objects, open doors, use tools, and work for hours in real industrial environments. Its AI system allows it to learn new tasks with minimal instruction, adapt to unexpected changes in its surroundings, and execute complex work sequences autonomously. BMW has already signed an agreement to deploy these robots on its production lines. Not in the future, right now. This is what changes everything. We're not talking about a robot that impresses at a tech fair. We're talking about a robot that is already competing with human workers on a real assembly line. The question is no longer whether robots will enter factories. They already have. Number 5. Prime Air Mk30. Amazon has been trying to make drone delivery work for years. Early attempts were clunky, slow, and limited. But with the Prime Air Mk30, everything changes. This next-generation drone is designed to deliver packages weighing up to 5 pounds directly to your backyard in under 60 minutes from the moment you place your order. The Mk30 can fly through rain, wind, and adverse weather conditions that grounded its predecessors. It features an obstacle detection system that avoids people, animals, power lines, and other drones in real time. It's also significantly quieter than previous models, a key factor for operating in residential areas. The logic is undeniable. No driver, no fuel, no traffic jams. The cost per delivery collapses. So does the wait time. For e-commerce businesses, this isn't an improvement. It's a complete logistical revolution that will redefine what it means to receive something fast. Number 4. Throw Flame Therminator. This is the most controversial one on the list, and probably the one that will surprise you the most. The Therminator is the world's first quadruped robot equipped with a flamethrower. Yes, you heard that right. A robot dog that breathes fire. The Therminator is built on a 4-legged robotic platform that lets it move across uneven terrain, climb stairs, and maintain balance on difficult surfaces. Mounted on top of that platform is a high-powered flamethrower, remotely controlled. What's it for? The applications are more serious than they sound. Preventive wildfire management through controlled burns, snow and ice removal from infrastructure, and agricultural pest control. It is legally available to the general public starting at $9,400. This is not a toy. This is not a joke. It's real. It's on the market. And it ignites every imaginable ethical debate about what should be freely sold. Number 3. Sarcos Guardian XO. Imagine putting on a suit that multiplies your strength by 20. That lets you lift 200 pounds as if it were a grocery bag. That turns any person into a worker with superhuman capabilities. That is exactly what the Sarcos Guardian XO does. This full-body exoskeleton is the most advanced physical assistance equipment in the world. It fits around the operator's body and amplifies every movement: lifting, carrying, pushing, holding. The person inside feels minimal effort while the suit absorbs and distributes the mechanical load. 8 hours of battery life. Easy to put on and take off. No external cables. The industries already adopting it include heavy manufacturing, construction, warehouse logistics, and defense. What makes this invention so revolutionary isn't just the technology, it's that it democratizes physical strength. An older person, a person with physical limitations, can operate at the same level as someone in peak condition. The human body just got a hardware upgrade. Number 2. Hadrian X. Construction is one of the oldest and most change-resistant industries in the world. But Hadrian X is blowing it wide open. This robot can build the walls of an entire house in under 48 hours. Alone. No workers, no brakes. The system uses a telescopic robotic arm mounted on a truck that lays bricks with millimeter-level precision, applies exactly the right amount of adhesive, adjusts positioning in real time, and follows architectural blueprints digitally. It doesn't make human errors. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for a raise. What makes Hadrian X one of the most disruptive inventions on this list is the scale of the problem it solves. The world faces a massive housing deficit. Building homes is slow, expensive, and dependent on an increasingly scarce labor force. Hadrian X can radically change that. It has already been tested on real projects. The construction industry as we know it is facing its greatest disruption in centuries. Number 1. Ocean Cleanup Interceptor. And here we are at number 1, the invention that, if it scales, could be the most important in recent human history. The Ocean Cleanup Interceptor is an autonomous system designed to capture plastic waste in rivers before it reaches the ocean. The interceptor floats on the river's surface, catches debris carried by the current, and deposits it into onboard containers. It runs on solar power, requires no crew, and can extract up to 110,000 pounds of trash per day in highly polluted rivers. Why is it number 1? Because 80% of the ocean's plastic pollution enters through rivers. Intercepting it before it reaches the sea is infinitely more efficient than trying to clean the ocean after the fact. Interceptors are already operating in Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Jamaica, and other countries. The results are verifiable. Tons of plastic that never make it to the ocean. This isn't just a brilliant invention. It's the difference between attacking a problem at its source and resigning yourself to cleaning up its consequences forever. We've covered 8 inventions that show why the United States remains the world's greatest innovation lab. From bikes that fly without wings to systems cleaning the oceans in real time, each of these developments challenges what we thought was possible. Which of these inventions impressed you the most? Would you dare ride the air bike or take a trip in the Whisk Gen 6? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.